Sunday morning rain is falling. Dress some cover, share some skin.
Hello everyone, introduce, my name is Riska I'm from class 9B and I'm Jaemin's girlfriend.
Hello everyone, my name is I'm from 9B and I'm Blackie's girlfriend. Hello everyone, my name is I'm from 9B. I'm Tahyung's girlfriend.
Hello everyone, my name is I am from 9th grade B.
Hello everyone, my name is I'm from 9th grade B.
Hello everyone, my name is I am from 9th grade B.
Here we will do an English assignment, namely making languages. What's your assignment? Bye!
The first step, first peel the skin of the mango. Second, after peeling the skin, slice the mango into small or medium pieces. Third, heat the sugar mixed with water until the sugar becomes liquid. Fourth, put the mango into the blender. 5. Add the melted sugar. 6. Add sweetened condensed milk. 7th, add ice cubes. 8. Add water as you add ice. Then close the blender. Then turn on the blender and wait until the mango juice is well blended. Has been mixed evenly, open the lid of the blender and pour the mango juice into the mango juice is ready to be served and enjoyed.
And